Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, enabling points for quiz categories. Points can add an element of competition and engagement to your quizzes, making them even more exciting for your audience. Whether you're using quizzes for educational purposes, marketing, or just for fun, points can be a great way to motivate participants and keep them engaged. So if you're ready to take your quizzes to the next level, make sure to stick around and watch the entire video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. First of all, head to your dashboard, then teaching materials, then quizzes. You can create question tags before or during creation process. Create a new tag, fill in the title, click save. You can create a new quiz or edit already created one. I have already created a quiz, so I will go with edit. I will make sure my questions are properly set up. Go to settings tab. Here you see shuffle questions toggle. Click and activate it, and here you can see the shuffling types. For setting the points, we need the third one, limited shuffle by tags. While choosing this option, it gives you opportunity to shuffle questions within specific tags, giving them points. And here we can see that my created tag already has 5 questions, so enter the count field 5, and here I should enter and set the score number that I wanted for the questions, and then click publish and save. So let's check the results. Click on it. I will go with incognito window. Here you can click start, and here you can see the points next to each question. So after student takes the quiz, whether it's wrong, clicks confirm. Here you can see 20 out of 100. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now ready to add some excitement to your quizzes with points. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Until next time, happy quizzing!